Okay, we had a huge rainstorm last night, so there's going to be a lot of rain. It was supposed to rain all this evening, but the clouds broke up. The weather forecast right now is for a beautiful evening, so Sophia and I went out biking. And the first place we're going to go is out to the creek because it should be a huge flood. Should be over the bridge. This will be right into the sun. That's okay. Sophie loves the water.
Got a little wet.
You got a little wet? That's all right. Water tends to dry. Oh, don't run over that little doggy.
I won't. Plus it's on the right and I'm on the left.
What's that?
Plus it's on the right and I'm on the left.
That's correct.
Look at those little flies.
What's that?
Those are sunflies, right?
Oh, yeah.
These are sunflies. There are so many sunflies.
You just stay on the right and you'll be all right. All right, and then at the top of the hill, we're going to walk down, okay?
I know.
Oh, let's go over the bridge first.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Yeah, let's go over the big bridge.
There's a lake there.
I can hear the water. Stop on the bridge so we can look. Oh man, look at that water. Oh, wow.
Holy mackerel!
Holy mackerel. Wow. That's the most I've ever seen it. Oh man.